Ready for dictation, exercise number 28, 16 sentence. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. We wish to be of service to you, and we shall be happy to change the shoes if you will mail them to us. May we know when you will have the new designs for the ladies' suits ready for us. What is the cause of the delay? You seem to be slow in making them up. You will receive them in a few days. We hope you will excuse the delay. We are slow because of our desire to give you designs which will be different and new, and it takes many hours to make them. We highly value the share of your business which you have given us for several years. In the face of these facts, we think you are wrong in passing on the charges to us. Thomas wishes to go with us to the baseball game on Saturday. If he goes with us, he will take us in this car. When is the summary of which you speak to be ready? Samuel Johnson, whose speech appears in today's news, speaks tonight at the Academy. What is his subject? His topic is Signs of the Times. I think he usually speaks on several subjects. James Smith thinks the firm charged too high a fee for these maps. They charge us a set, and he thinks we can get them for less. He will show us how we can secure for a set, and thus gave a genon. What is the size of the box? It is 6 inches wide and 5 inches deep. I use it for the purpose of saving odd pennies.